How to use database in Notion. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can easily create a database on Notion and use it. Process is simple. As you can see here, I'm on database page. Now I'll just close this for a while here and open up. Now as you can see, I'm on database page here, right? I'll just close this. I'll create a new page. Now what you want to do is towards the left hand side of your Notion application here, you'll find the arrow icon. Click on it and you'll find database option. Click on it. Once you click on database, you can see this table will pop up here. Now you can change this table. Click on the settings tab here and then click on layout, and now proceed to select whether you want board, timeline, gallery, map, chart. So you can select your particular database and proceed to tap on edit chart, and you can see here how you can edit it and everything here. So you can select the view name, you can edit the database. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.